As the elderly man takes a deliberate bite of fresh orange fruit, the journey of digestion begins immediately, long before the food ever reaches the stomach. Inside the mouth, the teeth mechanically break down the soft yet fibrous orange pulp, increasing its surface area, while the tongue skillfully positions the food for efficient chewing. Saliva is released, coating the fruit and activating digestive enzymes that begin breaking down natural carbohydrates into simpler sugars. With a coordinated swallowing reflex, the chewed orange forms a smooth bolus that travels down the throat and enters the esophagus, where rhythmic muscular contractions known as peristalsis gently push it downward. This wave-like motion ensures the food moves steadily toward the stomach, regardless of body position. As the bolus passes through the lower esophageal sphincter, it enters the stomach, a powerful muscular chamber designed for both mechanical and chemical digestion. Here, the stomach walls contract and churn the orange pulp, mixing it thoroughly with gastric juices and digestive enzymes. The natural citric compounds of the orange interact with stomach acid, further breaking down food particles while the stomach lining protects itself with a mucus barrier. Gradually, the orange fruit is transformed into a semi-liquid substance known as chyme, a carefully processed mixture ready for the next phase of digestion. The pyloric sphincter opens rhythmically, releasing small amounts of chyme into the duodenum, the first section of the small intestine. In this new environment, bile from the liver and enzymes from the pancreas join the process, neutralizing stomach acid and breaking down remaining carbohydrates, fibers, and micronutrients. At a microscopic level, the inner surface of the small intestine reveals millions of tiny finger-like structures called villi, dramatically increasing the surface area for absorption. As the chyme passes over these villi, vital nutrients from the orange fruit, especially vitamin C, antioxidants, natural sugars, and water, are absorbed through the intestinal walls and enter the bloodstream. Red blood cells transport these nutrients throughout the body, first passing through the liver, where levels are regulated and distributed efficiently. Soon, the brain receives antioxidants that support neural activity and cognitive clarity, while muscles absorb hydration and energy to support movement and recovery. Cells across the body begin to glow with renewed vitality as nutrients fuel metabolism, immunity, and tissue repair. Meanwhile, dietary fiber from the orange fruit, which cannot be digested, continues its journey into the large intestine. Here, beneficial gut bacteria feed on the fiber, producing compounds that support gut health and overall digestive balance. Water is absorbed, waste material is compacted, and the final remnants of digestion are prepared for elimination. What began as a simple bite of orange fruit is now a complex, beautifully coordinated biological process. One that converts natural food into energy, nourishment, and cellular support, sustaining the human body at every level.